Kamusta ba feeling nyo ngayon? Exciting! This is the start of the
Exciting.
finals.
Yes.
Worried, kinakabahan, excited, confident.
Ako excited ako mapanood lahat ng acts kasi alam ko na ito na, this is it. So, ito na yung bibigay nila yung best nila. So, I'm looking forward to a great show.
Yes. At Miss Bea, are you confident ngayon?
I am very confident. Pero syempre kinakabahan pa din ako. Lalo na parang may pagka-death-defying yung gagawin ng Amazing Duo. So I'm very, syempre nervous for them, for their safety. Pero I know they know what they're doing and they've trained for it. So I'm very excited for everyone to see it.
Yes. And Tito Boy, hindi ka ba kinakabahan na ngayon performer ka naman?
Dito ako kinakabahan sa opening number. But beyond the opening number, laban.
Wow! Power Impact Dancers na laging handa kahit anong laban. At dito muna tayo sa mga friends nating Barbie. Are you feeling any pressure right now?
I don't feel any pressure right now.
Balita ko, you didn't have enough time to prepare. Tama ba? Kasi ang dami yung racket, dami yung trabaho ginagawa.
Sanay naman na kami sa circumstances na like under pressure kami. Pero this one talaga, we did our best and we pushed ourselves talaga to the limit. Kasi kailangan talaga namin i-showcase yung fullest potential namin. Hindi na kami pwede magkulang this time. So,
Yes! At syempre, ito ang ating mga punong abala. Hello, hello po.
hello po.
Wildcard na kayo nakapasok eh. From there, ano yung feeling na umabot pa kayo ng finals?
During the elimination round, when we lost, we really felt bad. And then when we had another chance in the wild card, parang vindicated.
At syempre, dahil kayo na lang ang natitirang pambato ni Miss Annette, may pressure ba? Mas dagdag ba na pressure yun?
Dahil mag-isa kami, so mas gusto naming lumaban. Mas gusto naming manalo.
Yes, syempre, maraming salamat po, Miss Annette, kasi hindi niyo po kami sinukuan and kami po yung pinili niyo para i-represent ang Team Annette and hindi po namin kayo bibiguin.
And good luck, Power Impact Dancers!